Hey, in this particular video, we're going to show you how to create a blog or a website from scratch in just a few minutes using WordPress. The first thing you want to do is go to Google, type in free WordPress site, and the top one that comes up that says WordPress official, click that one and then click to get started. And then you'll have the option to choose blog or website. At this point, it doesn't matter which one. We're just starting out and you can change it later. Then you want to type in whatever you want to name your site. I'll name mine Content Mastery. It's going to bring up some suggestions and choices, and you'll choose free by clicking select and then click start with free. Then you'll click continue, and just like that, you've got a brand new blog or website, and it's that easy. Now I'm going to show you how to actually add a video or an opt-in to your free post. So here's the free site I just started. I clicked start a new post and it came up with this. So this will be new article title. So this article is about my niche and my value that I want to provide to customers. This is just a demo. So if I want to add a video, I would click insert content, add media. So there's nothing here to add, so what I would do is I'd upload a video. Again, I can do that with my site, so I would put an image, right? Add new image, which I'll just add a thumbnail of a video. See, I already have this saved. Again, this is just a quick, demonstration. I'll bring up my YouTube here. I'm doing this in real time so you can see how easy it is. So I already have that. Insert. So I can insert this picture and I can actually link this picture to something, which that's what we're going to do. We're going to link this picture to something. And this is how you do that. You just insert or edit link. I want to open it in a new tab. Let me pull up that video playlist so I can find it here really quickly. I think that was video 1 I put, but I'll just use either one just for purposes of showing you. Share, copy. So you go back to the post, you just copy and paste it, click add link. So that's the video. We're going to preview it in a second. This video is amazing. This is if you want to put it in between, different content on your page. So if I wanted to add an opt-in, then I'm going to go to lead pages and I'm going to save a picture as and I'll put an opt-in to that picture, and I'll show you how to do that. Let's go ahead and preview this. I just wrote some text here and I added just a picture of a video. You can do all of this in Canva. This is what I do this in. Let's preview it. So this is the first one. When you click there, it takes you to the video. It's that simple. And then you've linked to that video in your post. If I wanted to add an opt-in, I can just take an opt-in from lead pages and place it here as well. I can make these words link to an opt-in like I showed you earlier in lead pages, or in MailChimp you can make this link lead. You can say something like click here to subscribe at the end of your article. You can make these words lead to a opt-in box. I'll go ahead and do that. Publish options. So I'll go here. I can put a button there, but I think I'm just gonna do plain text or an image. So I'll just choose an image. Any image. Usually I create this in Canva, so it'll be something I create in Canva. Let's just select this. Get code. So it's going to look like this. It's going to pop up here, and whatever we've selected here in in the actions, it's going to send them to wherever page we told them to. So let's go back to the post, and here, remember this is the new article that we've been doing. I'm going to go to HTML. Again, this is code that you don't have to know how to code. I already copied and pasted that. Then we'll push save. Go back to visual. When we go there, this is the picture I added. Click on this picture. See, it just brings up that email.